price list of 19 pieces tin bangka as the result of international numismatic auction in Jakarta. But before that, in a short time within a few seconds, I tell you about Bangka Island. Bangka is an island lying east of Sumatra, administratively part of Sumatra, Indonesia. Bangka was recorded in 1436, compiled by Chinese soldiers during the treasure voyages of Admiral Zheng He. Contemporary record shows that the area close to the busy Strait of Malacca and water of the Musi River had significant presence of Chinese traders. Later on, the island was taken over by Johor and Minangkabau Sultanate. It continued to pass to the Banten Sultanate before it was then inherited by Palembang Sultanate in the late 17th century. Soon after, around 1710, as tin mining developed further, the Palembang Sultanate sent for export in Malay Peninsula and China. The Dutch East India Company, also known as abbreviation VOC in Dutch, managed to secure a monopolistic tin purchase agreement in 1722. During British invasion in Java in 1811-1816, the Palembang Sultan Najamuddin offering Bangka Island to Britain, but in 1814, Britain exchanged Bangka Island with the Dutch for Cochin in India, following the Anglo-Dutch Treaty of 1814. Let's start from the first item, which is tin Bangka mining token from Kongsi Ore Company called Antan. In Islamic calendar, here 1191 Hijriah or here 1777. Antan located in the district of Jebus. In 1775, Sultan Muhammad Bahauddin from Palembang Sultanate made a decision to replace almost all the Chinese decoys with his own trusted native. Legend at the observed site says Andan, while at the riverside in JavaScript says Antan Kongsi 700 Sana after Hijriah 1191. Sanat means years, and Islamic calendar Hijriah 1191 is year 1777. The condition is very fine, sold for $49. This tin token here 1740-1813. At the observed site in Chinese script says Dushi Ji Yong, means loan for gambling. This is gambling token. While in the reverse side says in Chinese script Lada Shu, which means receiving a large portion. The condition is very fine, sold for $107. Next, the tin token, also here 1740-1813. The Chinese character at observed site says Duijin. Duijin is the name of the tin mining company. Duijin means heap of gold. The condition is fine, was sold for $54. The tin token, which is at the observed site in Chinese character, says Gongsheng. Gongsheng means fair and honest, while at the reverse side says He, means harmony. The condition is fine, was sold for $70. This tin Bangka mining token, still here 1740-1813. At the observed site in Chinese character says Guangdao Jubao, while at the reverse side says Yuanji. The condition is very fine, was sold for $70. Still the year 1740-1813. Chinese character at the obverse says Guangdao Jibao, while at the reverse side says Yuanji. The condition is very fine, was sold for $57.50. This tin Bangka mining token, still here 1740-1813. The legend at upper side in Chinese character says Guangping Dili, while at the reverse side says Haoshan Weiji. The condition is fine, was sold for $61.60. Listing token here 1740 1813. Chinese character at the opposite side says Jiangsan. Jiangsan is the name of the tin mining company at Bangka. The condition is very fine, was sold for $107. Taiji legend written in Chinese character at the upper side, while at the reverse side says Shen King. The condition is fine, was sold for $41. Still the same year for this tin Bangka mining token, which is year 1740 1813. Listing token issued by tin mining company called Taiyuan, as mentioned in Chinese character at upper side. The condition is very fine, was sold for $57.50. This token still from the same company called Taiyuan, as mentioned at the upper side, while at the reverse side says Li Sai Qizong in the Chinese characters. The condition of the token is very fine, was sold for $70. This tin Bangka mining token, also year 1740 1813. Chinese character at the upper side says Ki He Chai Ji and Manchu script at the reverse side. The condition is very fine, was sold for $91. Listing token year 1740 1813. Issued by the company called Yuanji, as mentioned in Chinese character at the upper side, while at the reverse side is Manchu script. The condition is very fine, was sold for $140. This tin Bangka mining token issued by the company called Shengji, as mentioned in Chinese character at the upper side, while at the reverse side says Dongqin. The condition is very fine, was sold for $57.50. Still tin Bangka mining token year 1740 1813, which is issued by the company called Shengyong, as mentioned at the upper side in Chinese characters. You see at the reverse side central dot with the 8 rays on left and right, double circle on the top and bottom. The condition is very fine, was sold for $61.60. This tin Bangka mining token, also issued by the company called Sijuan, as mentioned in Chinese characters at the upper side, while at the reverse side says Fanglai. The condition is very fine, was sold for $106.80. This tin Bangka mining token, often called the Dragon tin token, as the dragon around the square central hole. The condition is very fine, was sold for $65.70. This tin Bangka mining token is a bit unique, as it's no Chinese characters as usual, but only some symbols, while at the reverse side is JavaScript on top and bottom side. The condition is very fine, was sold for $123.21. If you want to get automatic notification in every I upload new video, please click bell icon. Also don't forget to subscribe and like. Check also my other videos in playlist of Kintamani channel. Hopefully this information helpful for you. Thank you.